Hi guys, my name is John Stewart. I am the owner and head designer of Stewart Digital. Um, and today I want to teach you or give you some tips and tricks and some tools of how to use Facebook as a small business. So first off, um, let me just say, if you are solely using Facebook for marketing and information for your business as far as online presence goes, you need a website. Too many people I know that own a small business say, well, we have Facebook and we get enough business from there. That's great. I'm glad that you're getting business from there, but a website does so much more. And again, I'll do more webinars and live streams like this to just inform you of how to run your small business online. But what I want to share with you today is tools within Facebook that you can pick up on and learn while you're using Facebook as a secondary form of communication through your business, first being your website. So jumping right in, using Facebook as a small business, what are some tools you can use? The number one tool that I would suggest you use is scheduling. So through the Meta Business Suite, which is free with any Facebook page, you can schedule your posts. Now, as you do that, what I highly recommend you do is linking your Facebook page, your business Facebook page, to your business Instagram page. And as you do that, you can share from that Meta Business Suite your posts directly to your Facebook and your Instagram at the same time. That is going to help you tremendously being able to save time. That way you're not scheduling things twice. All right. So we went over those two things. Boosting posts. So if you've ever posted something on your Facebook page and you see this little blue button below it that says boost post, that is, have you ever scrolled through your Facebook page and you've seen videos or photos that say sponsored from a business that maybe you don't follow, you never heard of? That's a boosted post. So boosting post is your Facebook ads. So if you post something and if you post like a special offer, you can boost that post as an ad. And I want to dive deeper into boosting posts. And I may do another Facebook webinar live stream as that time comes. And if you want to know that before I do that live stream, we can set up a one-on-one consultation, and we can help you out there as well. I'm giving you all these tools, but also if you don't have time for all this, if this is something that if you don't have time to do any of that, then let Stewart Digital help you. We can take your Facebook page for your small business and your website to the next level. You just got to let us do that. So you can when you're boosting a post, you can set, if you want to just focus on a certain area of your city, if you want to focus on a whole other state, if you're in a digital business like we are, we can advertise in several different states at once. So the next thing is, in order to really have a sponsored ad that really sticks out, you want to make content that stands out from the other. One thing I don't like about Facebook anymore is it it's so diluted with um, ads and businesses, and I say that trying to help you promote your business. So um, it's not that it can't be used or it's too far gone. It's just that you have to work extra hard in making content that sticks out. So again, Stewart Digital can help you create posts and content that'll stick out on your Facebook page. Um, but you don't want to just take a snapshot of your latest product and post it. You want to put some time and effort in making that product really stand out. So when somebody's scrolling through their feed, it just stands out for them. Reels. Reels is, so if you're familiar with TikTok, it's short little videos, right? If you're familiar with YouTube, it's YouTube Shorts. For Facebook and Instagram, it is Reels. So this is a great way to just take a minute of somebody's time in a short little video. Says, hey, we have this new product released that we would love for you to see, and just showcase it. Again, you want to make something that stands out, not just just a quick little video. Although a quick little video sometimes is all it needs, and Reels really help push that more than just a regular video you post. Reels, again, people are scrolling all the time, right? And they scroll through YouTube or Facebook videos, and your Reels will pop up. Which leads me to another thing. So what Facebook wants you to do is they want you to stay on the Facebook app or the website as long as possible. So if you are out there making a YouTube channel and you are growing your YouTube channel, but you're sharing your links to your Facebook page, the Facebook algorithm is not going to show that well. So what you want to do, and really, even if you're linking to your website or just anywhere outside of Facebook, here's a trick that might trick the system. So if let's say you're making a YouTube video, post the thumbnail as a photo on your Facebook, and in the caption, explain, what that video is, and say link in comments. And then after you post it, go to the comments and be the first person to comment with the link. That also helps with engagement in your analytics, because people have looked for that link, so they've stayed on your content longer. Or you might just put the YouTube link in the photo description, but not just sharing the link as is, because Facebook doesn't want you to go off their website. Messenger. I'm gonna talk about two things here. Use Messenger, right? You can send out special offers to your people, your followers. There's so many different ways to use Messenger these days, other than just communicating with people and messaging you, which is great. Forms. So there is a way, and again, I'll do another live stream to dive deep into this. There's a way to create a form for if somebody clicks on your post, like you have a photography business or something like that. They click on your newest photos. It sends them to Messenger and has them fill out, like a form. And that's a great way to get leads if you are looking for new leads, obviously. Your call to action button. So I don't know if you scrolled through some business profiles and you've seen like learn more or call now or book now. You want to utilize that. So if you are a business who has a website and you want to draw people to your website, use the learn more, and direct them right to your website. If you have if you set up appointments, you can set up booking through the different booking softwares that are out there. Or if you just want people to call your place, you can set up your phone number with one click and they're calling you up. Stories. So stories are kind of like reels, but they're only there for 24 hours. So stories are a great way to say, we have a great deal today, expires whatever, end of the day in 24 hours. Or you have a little, short little announcement for that day. We're closing early, guys. Sorry. It's a great tool to utilize. And thank you guys for watching this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to reply to them. And yeah, have a good day.